Okay, I'm Martin Kanovsky, class of 1978, and I'm chair of the Development Committee for the Medical Alumni Advisory Council. Why did I come to Penn Medicine? Well, I came here in 1974, and I liked Penn for a variety of reasons. I liked the idea that the medical school was here with the rest of the university, so not only could we interact with other students in other schools, we could learn from them too and take advantage of the whole university. Also, Penn had an innovative curriculum then. We started seeing patients as early as our first or second week here and shortened up on the basic sciences and had a lot more clinical work. Well, while here at Penn Medicine, I did the usual thing, took the usual courses, and during that time became very interested in cardiology. And fortunately, I was able to stay here for my internship, residency, and then fellowship in cardiology. How has philanthropy or scholarship affected my life? It's affected me a lot. Years ago, after my parents passed away, there was a real void in my life. My parents encouraged me to be a doctor, but certainly it was my decision, and I was the first doctor in my family. I was the first one to go to medical school, and in fact was the only doctor in my family for the next 30 years. I was able to endow a prize in their name given at graduation, and it really gave me a lot of comfort to know that their name would live on here at the medical school. And subsequent to that, I was also able to endow a small classroom, a study area, also in their name. And although for me to have my name on something wasn't that important, but to have my parents' name on that, knowing what they sacrificed and gave up for me to come to medical school, really was important to me. As far as the prize, I've been to some of the graduations and met some of the students, and every year when the prize is given, I do get a letter from the student and hear about what they've done, and these students are just phenomenal, each one better than the next of what they've done and what they plan to do. I started volunteering for Penn Medicine after I came to a reunion, and there were only 5 of my classmates there. And it started off thinking, I really want to see more of my classmates, I want to see more people, and I got involved in the reunions. And along the years, I've gotten involved in reunions. I've met students along the way, met faculty, but it's really the students hearing what they've done, what they're planning to do, and I've traveled around the country meeting with alumni, and it's just been a wonderful experience for me. Over the years, the campus has changed quite a bit. Philadelphia General Hospital is no longer there, and now that's part of Penn Medicine. The Convention Center is now Penn Medicine, and in some small part, the alumni too have contributed quite a bit to promote the growth not only of the campus, but also through scholarships to promote the growth of the students. The School of Medicine has gotten a rather large gift from the Perelman family, and that's been a great opportunity. And in fact, with that, scholarships have been able to be increased by 20%. But even with that, we anticipate that the average medical student can graduate $125,000 in debt. Through our contributions and funding of scholarships, we can help reduce that burden on the students and enable them to go into whatever specialties they want to go into and practice where they are best suited. Well, this is exciting. We have our 35th medical school reunion, and to me, I think we all look the same, but I've been working very closely with our committee and the people from the development office, and we're really hoping for a good and big turnout this year. It'll be wonderful to see all of you again, to see what you've been doing, and see what plans you have for the future. For our 30th reunion, we did very well in raising money for the medical school, and we hope to do even better this time. Help us link back to Penn.